At the present moment, people are becoming more and more poor, and they are simply educated to gratify senses. So the whole world becoming chaotic, diseased condition. Even in the topmost level, the President of United States, he was also caught dealing very unfavorably, and he was forced to resign. And what to speak of others? He is not a poor man, he is not uneducated, the topmost man, elected President of USA. But there is cheating even there. You see. And what to speak of others? Jajjad acharati shrestha. In the Bhagavad Gita it is. Tattad eva itare jana. Sajat pramanam kurute. Lokastad anuvartat. If a person, president, cheats his countrymen somewhere or other, and why not others? They will also do that. Oh, president does it. What can I know? In this way, the more we are inclined to sense gratification, the more we are becoming sinful. And more we are becoming sinful, the more we must suffer. That is the law of nature. Amaya jatra bhutana jayate jina subrat. So by this vikarma, karma means when you act according to the Shastra, that is called karma. Lawful activities. The lawful activities is very good. But unlawful activities, you are punishable. So, the business of sense gratification is unlawful activities. You cannot gratify your senses more than necessity. Everywhere. That is the stringent laws of nature. Daividhyesha gunamai mama maya durutta. You cannot surpass it. Duratvaya. If you surpass, then you will be punished. There is simultaneous law of nature. The example is that you can eat, say, 4 ounce or 8 ounce foodstuff. If you eat 10 ounce, then there will be suffering, indigestion. You cannot eat. There will be dysentery, so many things. That is nature's law. So people are becoming entangled in karma. Yajna karma. One should work for Yajna, for Krishna. But they are not doing that. They are doing for sense gratification. Je pachanti atmakarana bhunjante te agham papam je pachanti atmakarana. That is stated in Bhagavad. If you live only for sense gratification, then you become entangled in the law of karma. So, here it is suggested that amaya jatra bhutana, in the previous verse, Narad said, karma brahmani bhavitam. Karma, your activities should be dovetail in the matter of satisfying the Supreme Law. That is the way of devotional service. But how karma can be engaged, that is prescribed in this verse, that amaya jascha bhutanang jayate jena subrata. You get disease. Suppose you have taken too much milk and you become diseased, dysentery, could not digest, have taken too much sweet rice or rabdi, so there is dysentery. That must be there. Too much eating will cause mucus. So amaya means mucus or disease. So there is mucus Jatra bhutanang, due to eating too much milk preparation, tadeva jhamayang dabbang na punati chikisitam. So cannot be cured it, even by that milk preparation. The same milk preparation which has caused your mucus disease, it can be cured by the same milk preparation. Chikisitam, but it should be medically treated. The same milk. The milk is the cause of your dysentery, but the same milk, when it is medically treated, can cure it. This is the secret. How? One milk preparation, milk is the origin. Rabdi, you take too much and there is dysentery, and chikisitam, the same milk converted into sugar, add little black pepper, little salt and lime, it will cure. The origin is the milk. So, one way you become diseased, and the other way you become cured. But the preparation is the same, milk. Similarly, our activities in this material world, with these material elements, when we violate the laws, we become entangled. But the same material activities, when it is turned into Krishna prasadam, dovetailed with Krishna, for hearing and chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, what we are doing? We are also doing the same thing. Here is the temple. What is this temple? The same ingredients, the same cement, same brick, same stone, same worker, same plan as the skyscraper. But what is the difference? Because it is chikisitam. It is for Krishna. You spoil your energy by the same purchase of cement, bricks and other things for sense gratification, a theatre hall, a dancing hall. The same energy spent for dancing for Krishna, the same hall, you become liberated. By one dancing hall, you go to hell, and by another dancing hall, you become liberated.